I made the easiest, most delicious dip that would be perfect to bring to all your Super Bowl parties. The best part about this dip is you can throw it together in under 10 minutes and you only need a few easy ingredients to make it. You'll need some whipped cream cheese, a can of Clark Buffalo style beans, and then a little bit of mozzarella cheese to put on top. Layer the cream cheese, the Clark Buffalo beans, and then the cheese, and put this in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese is just melted on top. I also drizzle mine with a little buffalo sauce, but this is totally optional. Be sure to save this post and follow me for more.